Originally I was going to make a different kind of Kali Linux video, but that all changed when I decided to upgrade my ThinkPad T440p to the latest version. My alpha Wi-Fi adapter would no longer work even after reinstalling the driver. So after about 4 hours of troubleshooting and at about 4 in the morning, when all good things happen, I was able to get it working again, and I'm going to show you the steps I used to get it working because there don't seem to be a lot of YouTube videos about this problem specifically. According to a thread I found on the Kali Linux forums, this seems to be a specific issue with the 2024 releases of Kali Linux and the Realtek drivers. The first command you want to run, and probably one of the most important shell commands if you're running this on a VM, is ls-usb. This command lists all the devices connected via USB. If you're not seeing the adapter listed, make sure that you're passing your USB port to your VM. If you're on bare metal like me, more than likely it means you have a faulty port, cable, or other type of hardware issue. This could be the case if you're on a VM as well and you already have the USB port enabled in the VM. You can check this on both by running dmessage-w. This will write all of the kernel ring messages to the screen, and it tells you when you plug something in or unplug it. If you don't see anything in dmessage, try plugging in another device just to see if it'll print out a new message. If it does, then more than likely it's a hardware issue with the adapter or cable or its drivers. If not, you'll have to troubleshoot your ports accordingly, which I will not be doing in this video. Now that you've checked your hardware, the next thing we want to do is update the Linux headers. Go ahead and type in these commands. Sudo apt-get update, this will update your repo list. Sudo apt-get upgrade, this part takes a while so I won't be running it, but trust me, I've already done this. And then sudo apt-get dist-upgrade, this will add or remove any necessary packages. Now you want to reboot your PC or your VM, and now once you turn it back on, you should be able to update the headers with this command. After the headers are updated, you're going to clone this git repo here. Then we're going to ls the files in your home directory. Then we're going to cd into the file that starts with 8812AU. And you're going to run this install command. After the install command runs, your adapter should work. You should see it here in the network manager. Again, if you get stuck anywhere, please leave a comment below so that myself and others can help you out. And I will catch you in the next one.